How to create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application CapCut. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you are in here, tap on New Project over here. It will open up a gallery. From here, you have to select any of the media or the content that you want to add. Now once the media has been uploaded here, what you want to do is click on this media, and then you have to zoom out the media and then place it to the top left corner of the screen. You can resize it. Once you have adjusted, now what you want to do is click on Overlay and then tap on Add Overlay. Now select the different media that you want to make it as a collage. Once it has been uploaded here, zoom out the picture and then place it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once it has been added, now you can add many more pictures if you want to. After that, the collage will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create a picture collage to your CapCut videos. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.